The Hereafter 27. I had a thought which I wanted to share. One of the objections given by those who deny the Day of Judgment is that they find it hard to believe Allah, the Exalted, will gather the dust and bones of people, which in most cases have been scattered and mingled with the earth and other things, such as water, such as those who have their bodies cremated and the remains scattered in an ocean. The fact that Allah, the Exalted, is all-knowing, indicates that He is fully aware of the location of every particle which makes a human being, and He also has the power and control to bring these particles together once again. In order to understand this, one should reflect on the different foods they eat and items they buy. These foods and items are made from different parts that are grown and cultivated from different parts of the world. They are brought together to a single location in order to manufacture the item or make the food, which is then delivered to a shop or directly to a customer. If humans have the ability to gather different ingredients and parts from all over the world in order to manufacture an item or make a food dish, then why is it surprising that Allah, the Exalted, the all-knowing, all-able, will gather together the particles of a person in order to give them life again, just like He gave them life the first time? No mistakes will occur with this process, as Allah, the Exalted, is fully aware of everyone's unique features, such as their DNA and fingerprints. Chapter 75 Al-Qiyamah, verses 3-4.
Does man think that we will not assemble his bones? Yes. We are able even to proportion his fingertips.